Mari. Hadi Mari. Ha? Why? Go alone. Temperature today is at 28.5 degrees, maybe now it's more. We're in Yeroskipou Beach. Ooh. Nice Sunday. Oh, nice. Just testing this new waterproof case. Let's see how it looks underwater. Paphos Airport, it's right there at the edge. And this beach been growing all last few years. It's all down there. We have some beach bars or lounge cafe like Kamara Beach Bar, CEO Beach Bar. This is the Yeroskipou one, the oldest one. It's been here for like, I don't know, since 1900. I don't know, 50 something. I will Google it up after. Before many years it just used to be only Yeroskipou here, and the beach wasn't so long like now, nice and sandy after they put the wave thrusters there. That's the glass bottom boat. I have a video I recorded with a drone before on that bottom boat. A drone video I make for them from my channel. You can check it out. Just type glass bottom boat on my YouTube channel. And next time maybe I bring my scuba diving equipment and we can go diving with the camera, or just my free diving equipment. Lovely. Once you get in the water, it's nice and warm. I'll try to get my daughter to come in. She's hiding behind there with on the sunbeds. Here come the princess. Princess Mary. Ate, come in. Once you come in, it's not cold. Some water sports over there. Come in, Hades.
No, don't do that. I will never.
Okay, I give up. Okay, come in. Hadi. Nice crystal clear water.
Teddy cannot stand in one place. He's old.
Bring him in the BA side.
We cannot.
Why are we not?
And when me and Tamara will bring him, they say we cannot bring him inside.
Who said?
One guy who takes money for the...
Tell he doesn't know the rules. They change the rules.
Not, it was like 2021.
Before?
Yeah.
Next, okay.
Look, she told me to go in, and she takes chips and she's eating all of them. Okay, wait.
Hadi. 1, 2, 3, jump.
No, I'm not gonna jump.
1, 2, 3. I'll throw you water.
If you did, I'm never gonna.
Okay.
Don't make me.
1, 2.
No.
Άντε, έλα τώρα.
What's enough? You are recording now?
Yes.
Don't put this part in.
Έλα, just make like this.
Don't put Tamara. I showed my legs before I came here.
Really now? It's recording, huh? Άντε. 1, 2, 3.
I will go in.
Yes.
Wait. Okay. 1.
1, 2,
I know it.
3.
Wait. It's cold. It's freezing cold.
Μιλά ελληνικά.
No, bye.
Άντε, now you're not cold anymore. Άντε, come in.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Hey, what you doing? Once you come in, it's not cold anymore.
It's cold for me because I didn't go down.
Oof.
Okay, it's enough. Go.
Oof. Άντε, jump in.
No. I don't want to make my hair off.
Oof.
Time to wash it again, so no. Not enough. Tinder, don't do anything. I said.
Άντε, you're already wet. Come in. Oof. Άντε, close the camera.
I cannot see what I'm. Okay. See stuff down there?
What? I'm recording.
I know. It's cold. He's peeing, guys. Go back up. Bye. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi, Tamara.